The crypto market right now is not looking too great. We saw a $320 million hack happen within the last 24 hours. We saw Bitcoin's price break below a key support, which is making people very nervous about the overall state of the market. And we've also seen some major news come out of Russia with what their plans are for crypto moving forward. So we got a lot to talk about. And if you enjoy this sort of content, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also make sure to follow me on Twitter because I've been posting there a lot about what's been going on in the market, some technical analysis, and some most up-to-date news information. So let's jump right in. Right now, Bitcoin's price just broke below a key support, an upward trending support that we had over the last 2 to 2.5 weeks. We had seen Bitcoin's price reach a low of right around $33,000 before starting to rally back higher slowly. And a lot of people were thinking, well, maybe this was the bottom of the market. Maybe we had bottomed out. But when we look at the charts right now, you can see this upward trending yellow line. You can see that we have officially broken below this. This is not a good sign. Hopefully, we see Bitcoin's price quickly recover, quickly bounce back above this line as we did right around January 24th, 2022. But if not, we could very well be seeing Bitcoin's price retest these lower levels of right around $32,000 to $34,000 per coin. So we need to keep an eye out on this because right now, not a great sign that we are seeing this break below. The second thing is in terms of overall technical indicators is going to be with a key resistance we have had for Bitcoin's price over the last 3 months. So since we reached an all-time record high of right around $69,000 per coin late 2021, we have seen Bitcoin's price consistently trending down. And when we look at this chart right here, we can see that Bitcoin's price has touched this resistance 3 times before just the other day. We touched it for our 4th time, and now we're starting to pull back down. So this downward trending pattern is continuing to hold. So it's not a great sign for the market if you're looking at long-term what has been going on. But the good news, like I said right now, is we do have strong supports right around 30 to 32,000. But right now, it looks like we are going to test those lower levels again. So personally, not going to be buying anything else, not making any changes, just holding what I have. And when we see it drop a little bit lower, I will put some buy alerts in, and I'll talk about that in our Discord. Next thing I want to talk about is going to be this big hack that just happened because this was the second largest DeFi hack of all time. And what happened was Wormhole, one of the largest bridges between Solana and other blockchains like Ethereum, had been hacked for $320 million or 120,000 Ether. Second largest hack of all time. And Wormhole is a protocol that allows users to bridge assets across blockchains. It has over $1 billion in total value locked and supports 6 different blockchains. So Terra, Solana, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon. It's not just Solana and Ethereum, but this is a big deal because Wormhole is a pretty big bridge. $1 billion in total value locked. It's not a small platform, and they were just hacked for $320 million. This was in like a span of 3 different transactions. That's it. And what they did is the company Wormhole, they just sent an on-chain message to the hacker while it was happening, just about an hour after it happened. And they said, look, we've noticed that you were able to exploit the Solana VAA verification and mint tokens, the message said. They said, we'd like to offer you a white hat agreement and present you a bug bounty of $10 million for exploit details and returning the WETH you've minted. So right now, they haven't yet returned any money. I don't know if they will. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But at this point, the hackers have gone away with $320 million. Wormhole's offering them $10 million, saying, thank you for finding this bug. If you return the money, no hard feelings. We'll give you the $10 million. You return the money. And we'll go from there. We'll fix the bug. Thank you for helping us. If not, well, we'll see what happens with this development. But this is something we're going to continue to see in crypto. As new platforms continue to come out, there are always going to be some bugs, and we're going to have to wait and see what happens with this. Over time, there are going to be fewer and fewer of these incidents. But right now, we're still very early on, and this is, something that we have to be aware of in crypto. Next thing I want to talk about is going to be what is going on with Russia. So Russia's Minister of Finance just suggested letting banks actually sell crypto. And he said that crypto should be treated like gold and other assets. And this is a huge deal because the Bank of Russia actually had advocated to ban crypto entirely. And after they said that, we saw Putin and we saw a couple of other people, important figures in Russia, come out and say, you know what, maybe we shouldn't ban crypto. Maybe we should just regulate it. And since then, we have seen a lot of talks, positive talks come out of Russia from, helping establish them as a major player in crypto mining. We've seen a lot of talks that they shouldn't ban crypto, and this is just another great sign coming out from Russia about what their plans are moving forward. We've already seen China ban crypto, so Russia saying, you know what, we're not going to ban it. We're actually maybe going to let banks sell crypto. We're going to treat crypto like gold or other precious metals. This is a great sign for the overall market. It's a huge population in the world, and it's very exciting to see that the Russian Minister of Finance said that, you know what, maybe we should legalize cryptocurrency trading through banks. And then last thing I want to go over, last two things, is going to be first with Thailand. A lot of, worldwide news today that we have to cover, but Thailand just dropped its 15% capital gains tax plan on crypto. And this is a big deal because a lot of countries have been implementing stricter measures on crypto, and this could hurt the market long term. But what we have seen is that now they're starting to, bring back these bans, start easing up a little bit on what they initially thought they were going to do with crypto. And same thing is happening with Thailand. According to the Tourism Authority of Thailand, they said that they've been focusing on crypto millionaires as a means to boost the country's pandemic-hit economy. And they said they don't want to put heavy taxes in place on crypto because they said if people who have made a lot of money through holding crypto, they said if they can use their currencies here without having to exchange it or be faced with government taxes, then it would create convenience for them. So we're seeing this happen with a lot of countries, where countries all around the world are saying, you know what, maybe crypto can actually help our economy. Maybe we'll legalize it, make it legal tender like El Salvador. Maybe we just won't tax it. But the bottom line is it's attracting millions of people every year to different countries around the world with lenient policies on crypto. And I think we're going to continue to see this happen, especially in countries that were hit hard during the pandemic, especially from countries that are more developing. They're going to be a little bit easier, in my opinion, and less restrictive, lenient on crypto because it's only going to help their economy. And then last thing is going to be with Ethereum-based metaverse projects. So what we had seen is an Ethereum-based AR metaverse ecosystem called OVR, which is a decentralized augmented reality project that really relies on NFTs. They just came out with a huge announcement that they are migrating over from Ethereum to Polygon. And I think this is such a big deal because, as you guys know, we've done so many videos on Polygon in the past. Polygon is one of my top cryptocurrency holdings, one of my favorite projects out there. And the good news here is that we're seeing more and more projects switch over from Ethereum to Polygon, utilize the benefits that Polygon has to offer, like faster, like lower transaction costs, faster speeds, not as high of gas fees. All of these things are going to make it so anyone who might now have a project built on Ethereum in the future, anyone who has a project built on Ethereum, they know that Polygon is scalable. It doesn't have as high of fees, and we're going to see more and more companies, more and more people choose Polygon over Ethereum. So it's not like Ethereum is going to be suffering or hurt. It's actually going to make Ethereum better because there's not going to be as much congestion on the network. Bottom line is, this is a win-win situation. We're continuing to see a lot of development take place on Polygon, and this is something that makes me very excited. I think Polygon could very well be an $8 to $10 coin within the next year or two, depending on, obviously macro events with the market. But as soon as we see a rebound, I think we will easily see Polygon's price reach new all-time record highs, break well above $5 per coin, and hit that $8 to $10 per coin range sooner than you think. So that's what's going on with the overall market. A lot of exciting stuff. But let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.